Hey guys, what's going on? Mark McNeely here. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to this video. If you're brand new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay alert and updated as new video content come out. So guys, I'm excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you all and talking to you guys about ways that you can make money from home fast. Okay, these are some fast ways you can make money from home. So I'm going to give you two types of ways that you can actually make an income from home. I'm going to give you a traditional way and I'm going to give you a non-traditional way. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with a traditional way. So a traditional way that you can make money from home, which most people may not like this way, or you may have already thought about doing some of these different things. A traditional way is basically you can start selling some items. Okay, you can sell items that you may already have in your home that you don't need any longer. It can be clothes, it can be tools, it can be different toys and objects and things like that. These are some things that you can do to get rid of to earn an extra income from home. Okay, you can actually go to your local pawn shops, or you can go to your local Goodwill or consignment stores, and you can actually purchase items at a very discounted rate, low cost, that still have a lot of value. Okay, and then you can actually go and sell those items simply by putting those items up for sale on your social media, such as Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. All right, and different things like that, or to kind of earn some extra income. You can also either have a yard sale from home, all right, or if you have a friend that has some items that they no longer need or want, you can maybe get them for free, or you can actually you may be able to um, buy them off of them and sell them, for a profit. Okay, so these are some ways that you can actually think about creating some things and creating some income and creating leverage. All right, just from the comfort of your home. Okay, so those are some of the traditional ways. Many of you, you're probably familiar with more of the traditional stuff. Now I'm going to talk about some of the non-traditional ways, which is what most people want to hear, or they want to know more about. How can you make some income really fast? So number one, I'm going to first say, determine what it is that you're passionate about. Okay, something that you're passionate about. It can be sports, it can be a skill set that you have that you're really good at. Sorry guys, the train is kind of going, but it could be a skill set of some sort that you're really good with, or good about, and good with, and you can actually create, like some type of content writing. Let's say you're a good writer, you can create writing, or you can write some type of content. All right, and in that content you're providing solutions, guys. Well, guess what? The way you make money, if you look at the entire world, the way you make money is through providing solutions. Okay, so I just want you to know that the person that provides solutions is the one that actually is successful. All right, and so that is something that you want to think about. So if you're a writer, if you're a poet, I know my wife is a poet. She's a book writer and a poet. All right, and she provides solutions within her writing, solutions of encouragement, solutions of solving problems. Okay, so if that's something that interests you, then you can definitely do that. All right, you can go to freelance websites, all right, such as Fiverr, Fiverr. It's a freelance site where you can actually you know, um, post yourself as a service provider, where you will provide a service, okay, of some sort. There's all types of services. Like you can be if you're good with editing videos, a video editor, or if you're someone that's good with making music or beats, or if you're someone that's good with setting up PowerPoint, or doing videos, certain type of videos, all right, or doing voiceovers and things like that, then and there's so many different niches and genres that you could actually put yourself or list yourself under as a freelance service provider. I think it's really helpful, really beneficial. You'll be able to make you could have a potential to make some really good income, all right, not working long at all from the comfort of your home. All right, you can create your own digital courses. So if you have a course of some site, you can actually list that course on sites like Udemy and BitDegree. All right, and anything that you're passionate about, these are things that you can actually do, okay, to really earn some extra income, all right, fast from home. So that's something that you definitely want to think about. So what these are just some ideas, these are just some general things that you can think about, that could help you along the way. There's tons and tons of more ideas that we will take up all of the video trying to list them all, but these are just some ideas that have come to my mind that you could possibly utilize to help you along in your journey. Okay, so if you're interested, what I can do is show you. There's a link below in the description box. I can show you some additional ways that you can make some income simply working from home. All right, we do have on the non-traditional side, it's what's called affiliate marketing. And so for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's very simple. You're basically taking a product or service that's already created, that's already out in the marketplace. So for an example, let's take Amazon for this example. Let's say you went on Amazon and you found a TV, or you found a particular water bottle or a bracelet or a shirt. All right, well, you can actually become an affiliate of Amazon and take your actual link that they give you once you create an account, a free account. You could take your link and go ahead and actually start sharing your link with other people on social media, and Amazon would pay you an affiliate fee, an affiliate commission, all right, as well. So that's another example of how you could work from home using the non-traditional methods, all right, to make income fast. So I hope this video will help. I hope this video stimulated your brain and kind of gave you a little bit more insight as to there's a wide range of opportunities on how you can make money or income from home fast. It's just determining what it is that you really want to do. But I tell you what, whatever your passions are, whatever things that interest you, you definitely want to go that route. If you're interested in seeing what it is that I do to earn an income from home fast, income that has changed my life and that has sustained me and my family, all right, and has allowed me to live a lifestyle of freedom and abundance, there's a link below in the description box. Go ahead, click that link. It's going to ask you to maybe put in your email address to get more information. Go ahead and do that, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless. Take care.